Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's Canva University series, we are going to be learning how to make a Polymailer design. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I use Sticker Mule to get all of my Polymailers made. I have a coupon code in the description box, but I am starting off with 7.5 by 10.5. That's how much their Polymailer is that I'm trying to do a tutorial for. So right here, I got a picture off of Pinterest, and I'm going to go ahead and add that on to my template, and I'm going to kind of like blur it and fade it out a little bit. I am keeping a little bit of the top open because that's where the flap will be. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and make the background the same color as this background on the picture. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and get a gradient to fade out the picture, to fade it out with the solid color. And for whatever reason, Canva was not being on my side at this point because I had to kind of like click off and come back to it for it to turn the brown that I needed it to be instead of this purple. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in some text. And right here, I'm just duplicating it and going to change it a different color because I want the black to kind of keep it like a bold. And I'm also going to add like a shadow to kind of give it to pop a little more. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in some sparkles just to give it like a girly, you know. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of like tone down the transparency just because it kind of overpowers. So I'm going to tone it down a little. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a social media handles. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some text. Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate the words. That way I can get an outline and also put in some shadow behind it. And right here, I'm just making a copy of the girls because it just looks a little plain right there. So I just wanted to put them right there just to add some, you know, some extra oomph. And there we have it. All you have to do now is just upload it to Sticker Mule or whichever platform that you guys are wanting to do, and you will have your own custom Polymailer design for your bags. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more Canva tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.